Hello everyone. If you are a web or a software developer or you are looking to get started with web development, so you should watch this video. Here we are going to talk about 5 things you should stop doing immediately if you are doing that, or you should keep away from if you want to be a good developer. Never ever leave your code without comments. Always remember one thing, the next developer who is going to take over your code is going to be a psychopath who knows where do you live. So do you really want to risk your life for that? No, of course not. When I started coding, I used to think if there is going to be another developer, he can understand my code because he will be a developer. But one day when I started reading other developers' code, then I came to know that how important is comments in our code. So this is the first point you should keep in mind, that you should stop leaving your code without comment. The second and the biggest mistake which we do is start coding a new language or a new framework without reading the documentation. You should immediately stop doing this. If you are starting a new technology or a new framework or a new language without reading the documentation, you will think that you will waste your 3 to 4 hours or 3 to 4 days reading the documentation. But I bet you will waste more than this if you are not going to read the documentation on the first go. So pin out this to your pin board, but you should always read the documentation before starting anything new. Not trying a new technology or a new framework. Most of the developers stuck to the technology or a framework which they start their career with and try to build their expertise on that and never try their hands on a new technology or a framework. So you should keep this in mind, that you should try new technologies, updated technologies, and even the languages which are completely opposite to the nature of the language you are using right now. Definitely you have to gain expertise on one of the language or framework, but you should keep trying different technologies. In that manner you are going to get the better knowledge about different technologies. And in today's market you have to be that versatile that you should know each and every framework a little bit. And to be in the market demand, you should know about how different languages work and what are their usage and how in what scenarios they are used. So you should try out different technologies and should stop sticking to one language or one framework. For few of us, coding or programming is not just a source of income, it's a passion for them, and they code almost like 18 hours a day and they never get bored of that. If you are one of them, you should stop doing this, because as a human and for your mind, you have to click your refresh button every now and then. You should take small breaks, big breaks, and always try to keep up leisure time in your routine. The best way to do this is to develop some hobby which will keep you away from your screen, like sketching, drawing, or playing indoors, outdoors, any game. That will refresh your mind as well as will help you develop your physical as well. Last but not the least point, but this point will keep you going throughout your developer journey. So never ever doubt yourself. There will be a point of time when you are going to stuck in some bug, or when you are going to start a new technology, you will be taking like forever to learn that technology. But you don't have to doubt yourself. You have to keep in mind that you are a good developer and you can learn anything. So just keep focusing on the quality of your work and keep learning and never ever doubt yourself. You can do anything, you can learn anything, you can code in any language. No new framework can be any hurdle in your developer journey. Now you should make the list of these 5 things and hung up on your desk and keep reminding yourself these things you should stop doing. And the other small habit you should develop is that if you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.